Yo, welcome to Sulawin Tech. What's up mga makagwapo? So, today I'm going to review this is a Xiaomi flashlight. Okay? So, it's good. I'll review it. It comes with a strap. You charge here, and then this is also a power bank. You can charge your phone here, and a light. And then this one has okay, I'll show you. I'll turn off the lights. Hey Google, turn off the lights. Okay, now the lights is off. Now if I see, alright, close it first. If I turn it clockwise, see, it turn on, and then if I turn again, it's brighter. On again, much brighter, very bright, brighter and brighter as there, that's the most brightest. I have no lights here. Okay, you see, it's a very good flashlight and a power bank. Oh, it also have a SOS if you like. It can signal SOS. I'll show you. See? It's a signal of SOS. All you have to do is press. Wait, I'll turn on the lights. Hey Google, turn on the lights. See? I'll turn off. You have to press this button, the small one. It will signal SOS. Okay? So, do you need this expensive flashlight? Well, if you're a Mi fan, it's good. I say I give it a buy. Very good. You should buy it. If you want a flashlight, this is a good flashlight. It's very, very good. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye. Hope you enjoy my review.